Hey, hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how hackers find vulnerability in any website and how they hack using that vulnerability, and also how to secure our website from hackers. So guys, this video is only for educational purposes to understand how it works and how to secure our website from this kind of attacks. So guys, watch the video from start till end, and if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we'll open up the Termux. Now once we open the Termux, we'll type the first command, that is apt update, and an apt upgrade space -y. We'll hit on enter. What this is going to do, this will update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. Now once this is done, we'll go for the next command, pkg install git and then python. So you can simply type git and python together and with a dash and then give a -y. This will automatically install all the required packages, that is python and git, in your Termux. These two are required to run this tool. Now once you are done with that, we'll go for the next command, that is git clone. So guys, I've given the git clone link in the description. You can copy it from there, come back to the Termux and paste the link. And in case if you face any problem, you can just comment down, or you can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I have given the group link in the description. Go to the description, click on the link, join your group where you'll be able to learn more about ethical hacking for free, and you can get instant help from there directly. So come back over here, type git space clone space and then paste the link, hit on enter. Now the tool will be cloned in your Termux. Once you're done with this, then we'll go for the next command, ls. Then we'll type the next command, cd, and then we'll copy this one directly from here, HCO-Web-Sentry, and then we'll hit on enter. Now once you're done with this, we'll type ls. Now to run the tool, we'll simply type python. And then we'll copy this one from here, and then you can simply copy and simply paste over here, or you can type it. It's totally up to you. And then one second, we'll type python space hcogrouplink.netlify.app, and then we'll hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, you'll be able to see this tool is locked. So guys, this tool is basically locked. So from here, Termux will automatically redirect you to a YouTube app, and it will show you our channel. So from here, within 10 seconds, it will bring you back to the YouTube app. So once you scroll down, you have to click on subscribe, then click on the bell icon, turn it all, and then go back to the Termux, and then you will be able to use this tool, and then press on enter. So make it sure that you are subscribing, clicking on the bell icon, and then going back to the Termux, and then you're hitting on enter, and you will be inside the tool. So now once you hit enter, you will be able to see HCO website vulnerability finder, and here you can see all the list of options: full site audit, check for outdated software, server software, and scan for hidden directories. So all these options are here. These three options are required to find any vulnerability on any website. So for example, I'm going to show you with one. And I hit on enter. Once I hit on enter, it will ask me for the website that I want to find the vulnerability on. So for now, I'm just going to type www.google. I'm going to use Google here just to show you how exactly it works. So www.google.com, and I'm going to hit on enter. Once I hit on enter, you'll have to wait for some time. And what this is going to do, this will show you all the open ports and IP use in this website, that is google.com. I have shown you google.com. You can use the website that you want to find vulnerability on. So you can see multiple IPs found. You can see Google is using multiple IPs. Along with that, you can see the strps, cookies, and everything just by one option. So it might take some time here. So I'm going to just skip this part, okay? Because it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to scan the full website and give you the full details. So I have just skipped this part. Now I'm going to show you the option 2, that is a check for outdated software server. So you can try this one if you have a server for any software, or you can just go for the next. It totally depends on you. You can use all these options one by one, so exactly find proper vulnerability in any website, and you can even become bug bounty hunter using this tool in easy way. So I'm just going to show you number 3 as well, that is a scan for hidden directories. So I'm going to select 3 here and then hit on enter. Once I hit on enter, same as that, it will ask me the website. So I'm just going to use Google for now. You can use your website, whichever you want. And I'm hitting on enter. Once I hit on enter, you can see it's automatically running everything. And once I run over here, you can see here, it will show me everything. So real-time scan started on google.com. Report will be saved. So when I have scanned this google.com, it has saved the details. So report and details are saved on this file, that is datadata.com.termux/files HCO report, that you will be able to find in your file manager. And below that, you can see mutate is deprecated, use plugins instead. So here I have all the options are given, and this tool is under maintenance as well, so we're adding more options. So by the time you will be getting this video, there will be more options added and more advanced features will be added. Now, building a website is great, but keeping it safe is what makes you a pro. If you want to learn more about protecting your digital space, hit like button and subscribe to Hackers Colony Tech. You can find the tool on my GitHub in description. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.